Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my first t-shirt with sublimated sleeves. Right now I'm just taking a pencil and tracing the sleeve so that I can have a little template of the sleeve to make it easier for me to sublimate the print onto the sleeve. I've already printed out all of the pieces of paper that I need. I printed out two 8x10s of just the print, and then I printed my image at 6x6. It's for a size 4 t-shirt for a toddler. If you're doing adult sleeves, you'll probably need to print out 4 of the 8x11 sheets of paper or 2 of the 11x17 sheets. So next I'm just going to cut out that curved portion of my template onto the sublimation paper. I purchased my t-shirt from alwaysblanks.com. I highly recommend them for sublimation t-shirts. They have all different colors and the quality is amazing. And no, this is not sponsored. I just highly recommend them. They are a super great company and I always get my shipping super fast. So definitely go check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press my shirt to get all the moisture out, and I lint rolled it as well. And I'm gonna start with just putting the front image on there. And if you've done sublimation before, then you know how to do this. This part is super easy. I did put a piece of paper in between the t-shirts just to make sure that it didn't bleed through. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already, please make sure you go subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I do a new video. I do videos on sublimation, Cricut crafts, sewing. So if you like any of those, you're definitely in the right place. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it. It definitely helps my channel out. So thank you so much again. Next, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock and cut it in half, and I'm going to put it in the sleeves just to make sure that the sleeves are a little bit stretched out to take the print a little better, and to make sure everything stays nice and crisp and clean as far as the edges and everything go. So now I am trying to match the curved part of the sublimation paper with the curved part of the sleeve. If you need to, you can always cut off some of the edges of your sleeve if your curve doesn't match up exactly right. If you're sublimating your center image first, like I did, when you sublimate your sleeves, you want to make sure that that center part is not in the heat press. That's because the ink will still continue to sublimate, and a portion of your picture may look discolored because it's going to continue to sublimate under the heat. This is another idea that I tried to get the curve of the sleeve to match better to my template. I took the template up to the curve of the sleeve and I just started bending that part of the paper, and then I cut the excess off, and that gave me a more perfect fit. So you could try that too, or if you didn't want to make a template, you could just do that same method with your sublimation paper. So this is how the t-shirt looks finished. I think for my first time I did pretty good. There's still some mistakes here and there, but overall it looks pretty good. If any of you guys do this on a regular basis and have any tips or tricks for me, definitely comment those down below. Any questions, definitely comment those down below as well. If you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My video days are Tuesdays and Fridays. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.